Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is GB and I'm going to show you how to install CapCut on your MacBook Pro. This is the similar process any iMac users can follow to install CapCut in their iMacs. On your MacBook, simply go on Google, and on Google search bar simply type in CapCut for MacBook, so it's around there. This is the first link you want to press, which is CapCut. Download CapCut for Mac and PC. If you click on that one, it will bring you to this page and um, download for free. That's where you want to press on allow, and it will allow the download to start. As you can see, that little thing you jumped, it then starts downloading it. Here, as you can see, it is the DMG file, the installer that is downloaded onto the download folder. Click on this file to open this menu for CapCut Downloader. Double click on this little icon here. That will pop up this little window. Press open, and this is where the CapCut window will load up. As you can see on the progress bar, it is progressing, and you get a number as well to say how much it has gone. I will at this time fast forward this whole video so that you are not waiting here for too long, and wait for this progress bar to reach 100%. It might take a while it's trying to verify the app, and once you see this little verifying CapCut icon up there, it will come up and disappear. Once it's done, it will do its thing. It will then at one point shut this little display box over here, and then it will auto launch your app. So when you're waiting, the app has now loaded, and basically you can go on from here and start doing your editing. Enjoy, guys. I hope this video helped. I will be bringing more videos on how to use CapCut and utilize different settings and effects and adding text into your CapCut videos and stuff, and eventually show you how to export it as well. So stay tuned to the channel. If this video helped, please don't forget to press that like button, press that bell icon, and please don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.